I think rather than diagram, I'll proceed like this. Already, I think I wrote some int nearby that. This should be equal to 2 pi. Theta 1 is what? Omega 1t. After what time? Again, they will have same phase. That is what? The t, that one. So this t is equal to 2 pi omega 1 minus omega 2. Omega 1 is 2 pi by t1. Okay, let's do one thing. T1, let me take 4. This is 2. 4.2, no? Anyone you can take it. So higher value will take it. This one, 4.2 into 4 by 42 into 2. So this will be 84 seconds.
Sir,
Yeah.
how did you write the first step, sir?
See, they're having 0 phase. After what time again they'll be in phase? 2 pi radians only.
Yes, sir.
If it starts from 0, after what time again it will come back to initial position? Then how much
After
of angular displacement? 2 pi. So that's the condition. Okay, now, so what is the time period of the pendulum X? 4 seconds. So how many vibrations? 84 seconds it will be. They'll be in same phase again. See, they're having now 0 phase. For them to be in same phase again, same phase means when do that will occur? So 2 pi. Now you can ask questions of why not pi? So they started with 0 phase, they're initially in same phase. Again, what happened? Where the phase difference, what happened? Can be like, so why can't be pi by 3, any other phase angle, that one? Because they started initially both with 0 phase. Both with 0 phase means both the pendulums will be here only. I'll release it, but they're having different time period. So again, when they come back to same position, so what is the thing, that one, how much of phase angle? So it should be 2 pi. So how many such? So I think that number will be t by, this will be 84. These are some very popular questions related to comparison of two SHMs. Diagram may not be needed.